Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2016 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power lift gate, power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, remote vehicle start. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.